Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. I live in Seoul, South Korea. Today's topic is Justin Bieber fortune telling. I solved Justin Bieber's fortune that seems to be an eternal boy. What's Justin Bieber's fortune? The image changed a little over time, but the emotional voice still remains, so he is still loved a lot. Justin Bieber's letter for himself is the shining sun. As a reflection of the earth, he has a great sense of pride as a special being. It floats all over the world and looks down at the world. It has the characteristic of raising life while enjoying the whole world. The first thing that stands out in Justin Bieber's fortune is that all the letters belong to the positive energy. There is no harmony. Therefore, because of the strong quality of the positive energy, the desire to express energy outside is strong, and once determined, there is a characteristic that it must be carried out and never lost. Justin Bieber has the same energy right next to the letter that stands for himself. It has the characteristic that being like him is always next to him, which gives him strength if he is weak, but when he is strong, he has to share something with someone. Therefore, Justin Bieber is psychologically uncomfortable because he has a sense of loss to share something with someone, and his rival is always right next to him. And the ego is too strong. He will never be stubborn. There was this intense and wonderful energy hidden in the tender, boyish image. However, he had strong drive, independence, and self-esteem to push ahead with what he has in mind. Strong temperament, like him, has a high level of physical intelligence, so he has an advantage in the activity of using the body. Both of the above letters correspond to a tree energy. Tree energy is the energy to help fire and sun energy, which means that his mother has a big role. It is said that the influence of his mother in music was great, and that's what his fortune shows. And this substrate is in the energy in position. Justin Bieber has an advantageous structure for acquiring knowledge. It's a fortune who wants to learn and use what he has learned. He has his own unique thinking system and prefers professional knowledge to universal knowledge. Like a novelist who tells a story in his own world, he has a separate world of imagination. The remaining two letters are in the location of energy out. It is a free and easy structure for the inflow and outflow of energy. This energy means that his talent and what he wanted to do are well done. Justin Bieber has excellent writing and speaking skills in both language skills. He is very sociable and naturally expresses his feelings, naturally establishing relationship with people. And this energy also means creativity. It's the energy that unfolds in his own world of works. It is a combination of energy that goes well with the appearance of an artist because of the freedom of the flow and outflow of emotions. The things to watch carefully in his fortune are the letters below, which are combined like pictures. Therefore, Old energy is being expressed as a powerful self converging with Justin Bieber's own energy. A lot of some means that it is difficult to make and break up in a human relationship. It means that he can lead the relationship slowly because he is not good at making and breaking up with his loved ones and friends. I can't see the letters for honor and stability and the words for his wealth and women. However, the letters meaning wealth are well kept in the above two letters. This letter is both a fortune and a woman to a man. But thanks to that letter, there is wealth and love. Justin Bieber has no energy to control himself. You can't leave Selena and Hailey out talking about Justin Bieber. There are two letters for women in his fortune. 2 months after breaking up with his longtime lover Selena, he married Hailey and is doing well. When I looked up Selena and Hailey's fortune, Hailey had a lot of water energy in her fortune. Justin Bieber is such a fiery fortune that he always has a burning thirst, and Hailey's water energy must have had the coolness to control Justin Bieber's hotness and unstoppable energy. The only thing that Hailey is as strong as Justin Bieber is that if they bump into each other, they bump into each other too hard. But basically, Hailey has a sense of respect for her husband, so it's fortunate that. So, how should I view the job role? This structure is free to flow and flow energy around himself. So he does his best here. Here is a detailed description of this. It is a structure in which what he learned is utilized immediately. He has a process-oriented mindset, so he's the one who enjoys the present, and it's important to be here right now. A structure like Justin Bieber is an artist who does his best here but makes good use of what he has learned. So it's a good fortune to be a professor or a scholar. Here's Justin Bieber and his wife. I hope they will be happy for a long time. I envy his fortune and popularity. Subscribe, thumbs up please. I'm Ligo. Thank you very much.